first topic we're going to be covering is negotiating a chicane. When operating a forklift truck in the workplace, you may have to manoeuvre through tight areas, such as aisles. As a result of this, it would be beneficial for you as operators to understand how to do this both safely and efficiently. On the approach to the corner, you should position yourself at a shallow angle, approximately 3 inches away from the apex of the corner. Once the centre of the front wheel is at this point, apply sufficient amount of lock and gradually take the turn whilst maintaining that 3-inch distance from the corner. Simultaneously check in each of the fork's 3 critical points. These are the outside edge of the forks or pallet, the rear end swing of the truck, and the inside load wheel. These are the points in which the lift truck may collide with its surroundings. As you straighten out from the first corner, you should wait until the outside edge of the forks or pallet is in line with the upcoming corner, therefore creating the correct angle of approach and giving sufficient room to allow for the rear end swing of the lift truck. Once again, when your inside wheel is approximately 3 inches from the corner, turn the lift truck to safely navigate the chicane.